In this episode, we'll create a family 2D for the flexible joint using the Detail Item template. Start by creating a new file using the Detail Item template. Insert the reference image for the family 2D and scale it to the correct size. Next, add reference planes to define the dimensions of the flexible joint, just as you did in the 3D family. Assign parameters for the steel tube and flange dimensions. Then draw lines to represent the flanges and the steel tube. Making sure to align each line to the appropriate reference plane and lock them in place. If you want to apply a fill pattern to the tube, you'll need to create a filled region. Go to the Create tab, select Filled Region, draw a rectangle. Align all edges to the reference planes, lock them, and click Finish. To edit the fill pattern, hover over the region until it highlights in blue, select it, then open Edit Type in the Properties panel. Modify the foreground fill pattern by choosing an existing pattern or creating a new one. Click Apply, then OK. After saving the family 2D, insert it into the main flexible joint family in a plan view. Use Pick a Plane Placement mode, then align the family 2D to the center of the main family. Go to Edit Type and link the family 2D's dimensions to the main family's parameters. Next, select the family 2D and under the Graphics section, assign a visibility parameter, name it Visible 2D. Then select all components, filter for pipe accessories, and assign a new visibility parameter named Visible 3D. Repeat this step for the flanges as well. After completing these steps, save the family and load it into a test project. Now, when you want to display only the 2D version of the flexible joint, select the joint, go to Edit Type, scroll down, and turn off the visible 3D parameter. This helps reduce the load on your project.
Looking for piping catalogs you can trust? At pipingcontent.com, you'll find ready-to-use libraries for AutoCAD Plant 3D, Revit, Smart 3D, E3D, and more. Get instant access to valves, fittings, and components. Click on the link below in description section and explore pipingcontent.com today.